Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we are live today again. Hi Sanmitra, hi Ajay. So can someone please confirm that I am audible, I am visible clearly, and then we can quickly start with the live session. So am I audible? Am I visible? Hi Ram. Can you please confirm? Yeah, okay, all good, all good. Yeah, great. So let us start with the questions. So first question is from Ajay Kumara. I'm not getting calls for manual testing. So Ajay Kumara, how much years of experience you have and what skill set you have? Okay. So whenever you are posting query, try to put the query with the details. How many years of experience you have, what skill sets, which location you are belonging to. So it would actually help me to give you the proper answer, to give you the proper direction, right? So please do the needful. Okay, there is a question from Tech Commute. My last working day was March 28. Currently I'm serving notice period, immediate joiner. How to put the availability in Naukri like 15 days or 1 month to get more calls in manual automation QA. So if you are serving notice period, you can put as per your notice period. So let's say if your notice period is left with 45 days, you can put 30 days, or you can also put immediate joiner, because you can join within 15 days. You can also have a word with your current organization and you can tell them that this particular thing is there, right? You are already serving the notice period. It has been almost 1 month. You're left with so and so days. So that's how you can do. Hmm. Sanmitra is asking, what is the condition of the market right now? As I'm console compliance tester, point 9 years working in a gaming company. Should I start applying? But hardly I'm getting. So, what I would suggest, Sanmitra, wait for 1 or 2 months, and you have completed 9 months in your company. So why don't you complete 12 months? Why don't you complete an year, and then you look for a switch? Unstruly Venkatesh is asking, for the past 2 years, I have been working as a manual tester. I want to switch my career to automation. So, in order to have that, what I would suggest is you can book a session on TopMate with me, right? Wherein I can guide you one on one on how to switch from manual testing to automation, right? So, this is one is to one mentorship kind of link, and that would be the session in which we would be covering this particular topic. So I'm sending that link of the top mate. You can book a session and we can connect on the next Sunday itself. Venkatesh. Okay. Uh, how to get early job notifications? So Ramesh, if you want to get early job notifications, what you will have to do is you will have to follow few of the recruiters on LinkedIn. So there are many people available on LinkedIn who are active. Just follow them. You'll get the job notifications very early, right? Abhishek is asking, when will the call start? So Abhishek, if you are an experienced person, then calls have started. I'm seeing people getting selected in multiple companies. So calls have started. We can also expect more calls to come, right? So what I would suggest is you can actually start applying to the companies, right? ARB is asking, hi sir, I am searching job in automation testing, 2 years of experience. So ARB, from which location you are, and how much notice period you have in your current company. So if you are an immediate joiner and if you are having 2 years of full time experience in automation, proper experience in automation, you can definitely switch. There is a demand of test automation outside, there is a demand of Selenium, there is a demand of API automation, rest assured outside. So you can get those job opportunities. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll also share one link with you in which we have described about roles and responsibilities of a manual tester and an automation tester. So this is a digital product that let me share with you. Right, roles and responsibilities of a manual tester and automation tester. These are the short questions you would get in an interview. So you can get these documents from here. What about BGV process now? So there is a question on BGV process. So BGV process has always been very stringent. So earlier it was a bit lenient, and now it would be more strict. When I say more strict, that means you can expect a lot of documentation verification would be going on. They would ask you the salary certificate, the PF, the experience letters, relieving letters, all those things would be asked in the BGV. Earlier, earlier if you see, so the BGV used to happen very leniently, right? But from past 2 years there has been a lot of strictness implicated, implied in the BGV process. Eastward is asking, can I get manager level posting using fake certificate? So that is not possible. See, using fake experience is actually a risky thing that you should not go ahead with it, right? So never ever go for fake experience. Yeah. Ensure that you are having proper experience and you are having proper knowledge, then only you go for interviews. And that too, if you see for senior level kind of a guy, right? So that would be a bit difficult and that would be risky as well. So what I would suggest is you can avoid it till now. Okay. Yeah, so I just checked the roles and responsibilities of a manual tester. This document is opening. Not sure why it is showing an issue to you. Can you conduct my mock interview? So if any one of you are looking for mock interviews, you can go ahead and you can book mock interviews on TopMate. You can book Sundays, Saturdays for TopMate, right? So I'll be available on TopMate to connect with you. And it would be good if we can record the video and upload it on the YouTube channel. If you don't want it to record and upload it on the YouTube channel, then please put in the comment section itself, right? In that particular description when you are booking that TopMate, right? So let me share that the TopMate link for mock interview as well, right? So here is the link that you can use for mock interviews. Okay. And 2 rounds of interview will be taking. So if it's an automation, then we'll be conducting Java plus Selenium, both difference. If it is manual, then we'll be conducting manual. Ankit is asking, hi sir, I have one offer letter of 9.5 lakhs per annum. How much should I ask in other company if I get selected? So Ankit, can you tell me how many years of experience you have? Right. So accordingly, then we can connect. Also, Ankit, I would request you to come on our channel and share your success story, right? If possible, it would be a motivating thing for many of the people. Also, I can help you with some kind of guidance that you need and how to select the companies, right? Because see, now in few of the companies layoffs are happening, so don't choose the companies in which they have laid off few of the employees during the pandemic time or after the pandemic. So Ankit, you have 2.9, that is somewhere around 3 years of experience. So if you're getting 9 lakhs per annum in one of the company, you can expect up to 11 lakhs per annum from other company, and then it's also a negotiation that you will have to do, so you can work on it. Okay. When will the calls start? So calls have actually started. See, earlier if you'll see, before 3 months the situation was not like that, but now for at least the experienced people, the calls have started. So don't worry. For freshers also, it will start soon. Okay. And I believe the link is working now with you, Pranav. Yes, Pranav confirmed the link is working, so you people can purchase this digital product. It's very useful. It would be asked to you in the interviews, right? So please purchase this digital product, and please hit on the like button. The minimum likes that we are expecting on this live session is 100. Okay, please hit on the like button so that it reaches to the maximum people out there. Now there is a question from Venkata Rohit. I have 2 years of experience in automation testing Tosca. Can I switch to DevOps and learn DevOps with AWS as it is booming? Yeah, so you can learn DevOps. DevOps is one of the field. DevOps is one of the career which is booming. And what I would request each and every one of you is to have multiple options in your career. Not just stick to programming, not just stick to testing, not just stick to automation. Right? Have multiple opportunities open for you, have multiple doors open for you, right? That would be helpful to you. And it would be good because see, at the end, you would be interested to work if you are getting a good pay amount, and if you are into the technical fields. Even DevOps is a technical thing, so you would like all these things, right? So please feel free to have some options with you, right? That is very important. So yes, definitely my answer is yes, you should switch to DevOps if you are willing to. Okay, what else we have? Uh, Nitish is asking, I'm having 6 years of experience, but still in manual. How much time it will take to learn automation? So, in order to learn automation, you would need 2 to 3 months, because just learning Selenium won't help in these days. You will have to learn programming language, any one programming language, and I would prefer to go for Java, and then you can learn about the API automation. Then you can learn about the test ng, Selenium, how to configure Selenium, how to use Selenium with various controls, with various uh, commands, and all these things, right? So it would take 2 to 3 months, Nitish, right? So there is a question: if we learn multiple skills, it is difficult to remember all the topics before attending interview for multiple companies. So what I would suggest is, have a clear map with you, right? And see, I can become a mentor for you if you are willing to approach me on TalkMate, right? See, this kind of conversation on live session, we hardly get 1 or 2 minutes, but we can connect on TalkMate. We can have a 30 minutes of a clear cut discussion, and I can help you with various roadmaps that are available. How much time would it take for you to learn DevOps? How much time would it take for you to learn um, automation testing, right? So there is a roadmap for everything. There is a planning that you need to do for everything. It is not like today you learned about DevOps, tomorrow you'll be learning about automation. No, it's not possible. We are not robots, right? It would take a time. See, if you do engineering, it takes a lot of time. Earlier you are doing schooling, then you are going to colleges for graduation, then you are submitting your projects, and then you are getting the job. So it takes almost a lot of time, lot of years in doing engineering. I'm not telling it will take years to do this kind of courses, but yes, you will have to be flexible with the market. Now AI skills are also there, so implement AI skills along with your core skills. So when I say core skills, that is your testing, coding, DevOps. Now include AI, so include AI also, learn how to use prompts, right? So that is very important. Ganesh is asking how to improve English communication. So Ganesh, it is very simple. What you can do is you can read the English newspapers, Times of India, Economic Times, that are available online. You can also watch movies on OTT, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video with English subtitles. That's how you can improve your communication. Rich is asking, is it true any MNC company can terminate employees during training period? Yes, it does happen. So during training period, if they find the employees are not getting trained appropriately, they are not able to answer appropriately, then what they will do is they will give you first kind of a warning email, and then they might terminate you. But there are two things here. One thing is, that you should not be having any kind of a bond with that company. If you have a bond, then a company cannot do anything. But if you don't have a bond and you are not still working good, then the company might take the decision. So those things might happen. Ganesh is asking fluent English. So Ganesh, yes, English is required for interview purpose, and after interviews also, as you are working in MNC companies, English would be required there. Okay, so right, so these are roles and responsibilities of a manual tester. If you will see, right, you can purchase this document. It is very cheap document that has been prepared for the interview purpose, right? What's your view on ETL testing, big data testing? So, Sandesh, view on ETL testing is again positive. It is something that some companies are doing, ETL testing, big data testing, right? So, you can pursue your career in ETL testing, and for that, you would need SQL, BI. At times, Python is also used, right? Partha is also asking about ETL testing, so it's the same question. ISTQB, Satish is telling for ISTQB. So ISTQB is actually a certification in which you would be getting 40 questions. Out of 40 questions, you need to answer 26 correctly. So your pass percentage should be greater than 65 percentage. If you need kind of an ISTQB certification training, then you can connect with me on TopMeet. Those training I can provide it to you, and that examination is given online. So 40 questions would be asked to you. There is no negative marking, right? And there are various courses that you can take in ISTQB also. First is foundation level, for which the minimum years of experience that you require is 2 years. Then is the advanced level certification. Which is a better option, manual or automation for interview? So automation is more in demand, right? So it has been almost 20 minutes we have been connected on this live session, and we have just received 21 likes so far. So let's make this count double. Let's exceed the count to 50 plus now, right? ISTQB certification fees is somewhere around 4,500 to 5,000, right, including GST and all these things. How to prepare for HR related questions? So if you are going for a testing interviews, you will not be that much getting HR questions, right? You would be facing behavioral interview questions, that as a tester, what kind of situation you faced, what did you do in this scenario. So that product is also available on TopMeet. So this is the link that you can get this behavioral interview questions, and there are few of the questions that I have included in that product based on star approach. Star is what is the situation, what is the scenario, what was the task, and T stands for task, A stands for action, R stands for result, what is the outcome. Okay. Omkar, I have 4.5 years of experience in manual with fake experience 3 years, and now my current organization provides 15% hike on 7.5 LPA. I want to switch now because there is no learning phase. So what should I do? So Omkar, you can get this hike and then you can switch. For experience, the calls have started. I'm repeating, the calls have started. Please update your resume and start applying for the jobs. Can Devin AI, artificial intelligence, replace software testing? So this is a question. So again, that is not possible. Just imagine that you have to write the test cases for some particular functionality which has been mentioned in your application, which is there in the application, right? It is not at all possible that you get such kind of things at all. Using AI tool, you can get an idea what kind of questions you can give, but or what kind of scenarios you can make. But end to end, it would be something that you will have to do it, not the AI thing will be doing. Okay, someone is telling yes, ads are coming, so yeah, ads would be coming, right? You can view those ads, and then again we can continue on this live session. Ashutosh, how's the current job market for software testing experience jobs? So job market is good. Yes, the salary hike that you're not getting as you are getting during the COVID time, but yes, market is good. You can get multiple job offers right now as well. Okay, what else we have? What kind of digital product you people are looking for? So let's start with that question answer, right? What kind of digital products you people are looking for? So, if possible, please answer this question. What kind of digital products you are looking from our channel? Any kind of notes, any kind of interview questions, any kind of uh, behavioral questions that you people are looking, right? So that we can see. Okay. How can AI be used in software testing? Are there any tools? So yeah, so Brushali, there are many AI tools that have recently come up, like Bard AI is there, Gemini is there, Chat GPT is there. You can use all these tools, right? Again, I won't say that uh, purchase this kind of tools, but you can use the free community version as of now, and you can use them for testing purpose. ARB is asking, I'm searching job, Pune and Mumbai location, automation testing 2 years. So ARB, if you are having 2 years of experience, then what you can do is you can start for applying jobs in Pune. I believe in Pune there are many jobs for automation testing. Hmm? So you can do that. Satish, how to connect with you for ISTQB? So Satish, I just shared the TopMate link, right, wherein you can book the session for weekends, right? So let me share that link with you. Sonal is asking manual or automation, which one is good? Yes, automation is good, right? So here is the link that you can book for ISTQB session, and please do the booking for Saturdays and Sundays only, so that we can connect properly. We can connect for sufficient amount of time. Ashutosh is asking, I'm planning to get an ISTQB foundation level certification. Will it be good for job perspective, even if I have a 3 years of experience? Yes, that would be helpful. See, certification would always be useful to you, right? It is something that would have additional things in your resume. So you should have those kind of things. SP Tiwari, I have 6 years of experience in manufacturing industry. I want to switch to IT industry. What should I choose? Software testing or data analytics field, please suggest. So I would suggest you can go for any of these. You can also go for DevOps, you can also go for cyber security, you can go for cloud computing, you can go for software development, you can go for scrum master, you can go for project management. It depends on what kind of skill sets or what kind of areas you are interested. Hmm. Okay, so are you able to see the question that I have posted here? What kind of digital products you are looking from this channel? Are you able to see that question? Because I am not able to see the answer. Um, Not sure if you people are really answering, because I don't see anyone's answer. No worries, we'll continue with the chat, right? If if I would have got the answer, it would have helped me to know what. Would, can I can I share the contact number? No. So contact number. See, contact number is something that you can avoid. You can write an email to us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. You can also book the sessions on TopMeet, right? So let me share the TopMeet link also with you. So this is my TopMeet link, right? You would get digital products, you would get various calling purpose related things also from there. Okay, so you can get all these things. Does automation testing have future? Yes, it does. It does has a lot of future. So automation testing is in demand, right? And it would be continuing to be in demand. Sachin is asking, how can I connect with you for giving interview for freshers? So you can book Sachin the slot on TopMate, book for next weekend or next to next weekend whenever you are available, right? And please write in the description that if it is okay for you to record the interview and upload it on our YouTube channel, right? Core Java, which topic is important for Selenium? So learn OOPS concepts, learn Java collections, learn strings, right? Then you can learn about arrays, linked list, right? These things will be important. Faisal is asking, could you provide API testing using Postman by using an app regarding the functionality? Sorry, Faisal, I'm not getting your question. What exactly you are looking for? Is BSc IT plus software engineering 4-year course good? Please reply. Yes, Aki, that is a good option. You would get a lot of good job opportunities after completing. Are you providing any sample question sets for the ISTQB exam? So as of now, no. But if you need, just drop us an email and would start working on that. Software testing is having any future or not? Yes, of course it is having. See, everything that is technical, that is core skills like software testing, software development, these things will have future. Java or Python, which where is good for the automation? Java is better. How important API testing is to get a job? See, API testing is very important. Once you learn about functional testing, manual testing, then you can learn about API testing as well. So that is very important. You should definitely learn API testing. Okay. What other questions we have? Bhakti Amrit Darshan. Sir, even after cracking few rounds of interview is not getting scheduled for further round. All rounds are cleared, then offer letter is not getting released. So these things are happening now. There are multiple reasons behind that. Maybe one of the reason can be that as the vacancies are there, so people applying for those jobs are also more. So it might happen that there are multiple people who are applying for the job, there are multiple people who are getting selected, and then they are getting some people for that particular job only with less expected salary compared to what you were asking, right? So that can be one of the aspect. Apart from that, if you will see, uh, the second reason is about the hybrid or the remote. Maybe you are looking for remote jobs and the other candidate is fully committed to come to the office and work, then he or she will be given the first priority, right? So these are the various reasons because of which you might not be proceeding to the final thing. And sometimes in the managerial interview, that is the last round, they are interested in seeing how is your approach, so whether you are giving the answer properly or not. So for that, behavioral questions are asked. So there is a document that I have created on behavioral testing interview questions. You can utilize it. Sachin is asking, I lost my job during corona pandemic, and I want to switch to IT manual testing. Can I get job? So yes, Sachin, you can get job, but you will have to learn about software testing, about both manual as well as automation, right? So that is very important, right? So please continue hitting on the like button. It is very important that we get the likes. Minimum 100 likes is a target for this particular video. Ashutosh is asking, sir, I have a gap of 5 years. Can I come to IT field? So yes, you can come to the IT field, and Ashutosh, there are various options that are available in the IT industry, which you can use as per your experience, as per your interest level, right? How we can start learning in software as a software test engineer. So I'm working on that playlist. So let me share that playlist link also with you. So software fundamentals, making an individual from zero to hero. This is a playlist that we are working on it, and there's this the video also that we had posted earlier, and we'll be continuing with this series. So within a month you will see a lot of videos coming up on in this playlist, so you can apply for these particular, you can get knowledge from this particular videos itself. Okay. Okay, so I think 30 minutes is done, and I think it's a good time that we connected. And thank you so much for connecting today, and wish you all the best for your future ahead. And feel free to connect with me anytime on TopMeet. So here is the link of the TopMeet that I'm sharing at the end. You we can connect as well on this particular link, right? Okay, thank you so much, and all the best for your careers.